Yo, what's up everybody, and listen up because this one is going to change how you travel forever. We're talking about insider secrets, sneaky hacks, the stuff airlines don't want you to know. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to have your mind blown. Let's do this thing. Alright, let's be real. Airplane seats? Not exactly known for their comfort, right? Especially when you're stuck in economy for hours on end. But I've got a game changer for you. Ready for this? A DIY foot hammock. All you need is a scarf, a belt, or even a small blanket. Just loop it around the arms of your tray table, creating a little sling for your feet. This little trick takes all the pressure off your legs, helps prevent that awful swelling, and lets you actually relax on the plane. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never fly without it again. We've all fallen victim to the airport markup, right? $5 for a bottle of water? Come on. But here's the thing, you don't have to play their game. There's a TSA loophole, a way to beat the system. And it all starts with a frozen water bottle. Before you head to the airport, just toss your water bottle in the freezer. By the time you hit security, it'll be solid as a rock. TSA will wave you through and you'll have ice-cold, refreshing water waiting for you on the other side. Let's face it, airplane food has a reputation and it's not a good one. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. Because there's a secret to unlocking better, fresher, tastier meals on your next flight. And it all comes down to 3 little words. Special meals. Airlines often have special meals available for passengers with dietary restrictions. Vegetarian, kosher, diabetic, you name it. So next time you're booking a flight, do yourself a favor and request a special meal. We've all been there, right? Stepping off a long-haul flight feeling like you just got hit by a truck. Jet lag is no joke. But what if I told you there's a way to beat it? And it all starts before you even board the plane. The secret weapon? Exercise. An intense workout before your flight. When you work out hard, your body goes into recovery mode. That recovery mode can actually help you sleep better on the plane and adjust to the new time zone faster. Nobody likes airport security. It's slow, it's stressful, and it always feels like you're holding everyone up. But I'm about to let you in on a little secret, a way to breeze through security like a boss. The key is all in your clothing choice. Specifically, a jacket with large pockets. Before you get in that dreaded security line, take a minute to load up those pockets. Phone, wallet, keys, passport, everything goes in. Then, when you reach the conveyor belt, you simply toss the entire jacket into a bin. Boom! You've just streamlined the entire security process. We've all heard the horror stories, right? Bags going missing, ending up in some remote corner of the world. But losing your luggage doesn't have to be an inevitable part of travel. First up, document everything. Before you check your bag, snap a quick photo on your phone. If your luggage does go missing, that photo becomes your best friend. But here's the real game changer: AirTags or GPS trackers. Stash one inside your suitcase, and you'll always know exactly where it is, even if the airline doesn't. Here's a little secret the airlines don't want you to know. They actually have a ton of free stuff to give away. But there's a catch. You have to ask for it. Don't be shy, those flight attendants? They're holding on to a treasure trove of goodies. We're talking extra snacks, drinks, even little toys and activity books for the kids. Just be polite, flash a smile, and you'd be surprised at what they're willing to hook you up with. Layovers. The bane of every traveler's existence, right? Stuck in an airport for hours on end. But what if I told you that layovers don't have to be a waste of time? In fact, they can be an opportunity for adventure. Many airlines offer incredible perks for passengers with long layovers. We're talking free hotel stays, meals, even city tours. So before you book that flight, check the airline's website and see what kind of layover deals they have. You might just score yourself a free mini vacation. Listen up, because this is important. Never, I repeat, never pay full price for a flight again. The internet is a vast and mysterious place, and within its digital depths lie the secrets to scoring insanely cheap flights. First up, timing is everything. Tuesday afternoons are your golden ticket. Next, embrace the power of the VPN. A VPN lets you browse the internet as if you're in a different location. Some flights are actually cheaper when you book them from another country. And finally, clear your cookies. Airlines track your browsing history and can actually raise prices if they see you searching for the same flight multiple times. You're at the airport, phone's about to die, and you spot it. A beacon of hope in a sea of stressed-out travelers. An available outlet. But hold on a second before you plug in that charger, because there's a hidden danger lurking at those airport charging stations. Not all outlets are created equal. Some of them might not even work, and others might already be occupied. But here's the real kicker: airport security. If they ask you to turn on your laptop during screening and it's dead because you relied on a dodgy airport outlet, they can actually confiscate it. So here's the solution. Fully charge all your devices before you head to the airport, and always travel with a power bank. We've all been there, standing in line at security, watching the bags roll through the scanner. And then it happens. The dreaded beep. Your bag gets flagged, you get pulled aside, and suddenly you're sweating under the watchful eye of TSA. But here's the good news. Most of these security snags are completely avoidable. First up, lithium batteries. These bad boys belong in your carry-on, not your checked bag. Next up, avoid wrapping valuables in aluminum foil. It actually blocks the X-rays, which just screams suspicious activity to security. And finally, ditch those old luggage stickers. They can confuse the baggage handlers and send your bag on a wild goose chase to the wrong destination. Alright, let's talk about everyone's least favorite travel activity: packing. It's stressful, it's chaotic, and it always feels like you're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. But it doesn't have to be this way. With a little strategy and a few insider tips, you can pack like a pro and avoid those dreaded overweight baggage fees. First up, wear your heaviest clothes. Instead of stuffing your suitcase with bulky jackets and boots, wear them on the plane. Next up, embrace the power of packing cubes. These little organizers are a game changer. And finally, weigh your bag before you leave for the airport. Don't wait until you're at the check-in counter. There you have it, my friends, 12 genius travel hacks that'll have you flying like a boss and saving a ton of cash in the process. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're using these hacks on your next trip, drop a yes in the comments. Before you go, make sure to check out my other videos for even more travel tips, tricks, and crazy adventures. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.